Hey, let's start with a scene you already know too well. You open your laptop, get set to work, and within minutes you're waiting. Not because the task is hard, but because your machine isn't built for flow. That exact drag is where the Beelink SER5 changes everything. This is for you if you're done adapting to your computer instead of just using it. You're the kind of person who notices when performance feels hesitant, when responsiveness feels conditional, and when your day slows down because your machine never quite keeps up. But before you get pulled deeper, check the current price and availability. Mini PCs like this don't always stay at the same numbers, and hesitation often turns into "why didn't I grab it when I could?" Your upgrade moment didn't explode in your face, it crept up. You kept adding tabs, tasks, workloads, and suddenly you weren't working with your system anymore, you were negotiating with it. Shortcuts felt like guesses. Reloads came before results. That's the point where you realize the old setup isn't just slow, it's holding you back. Once the SER5 is integrated into your day, that negotiation disappears. You hit power and it's ready. No delay. No fans sounding like they're preparing for launch. Just immediate, steady performance that lets you actually do things instead of waiting for them. You feel it during intense multitasking when dozens of tabs stay open without controversy. You feel it with light creative work, streaming, editing, presentations, research, all without that creeping slowdown. You feel it when you connect multiple displays and everything feels seamless instead of stretched thin. The performance here feels calm and collected. Once you live with hardware that just keeps pace with you, older systems start to feel inconsistent, like they're always threatening to stall just when you're about to get moving. If you're telling yourself you'll wait, consider this: that's exactly where long delays grow into regrets. Stock shifts, prices drift, and suddenly the moment you could have had turns into the moment you should have pulled the trigger. You might wonder if a mini PC like this is too modest for your workflow. The surprise is how capable it feels. Daily tasks feel smooth. Multitasking feels natural. Even casual graphics work feels consistent. Nothing feels like it's barely hanging on, it just handles it. What really sneaks up on you is how much cleaner your space feels. Fewer cables. Compact footprint. Enough ports to expand without clutter. You don't just feel the performance, you feel the intentionality of the design. Apps open without pause, multitasking feels natural, workflows stay smooth, daily use feels reliable, ownership feels practical and solid, not built for hardcore gaming. Internal upgrades are limited. Eventually, the comparison loop fades. You stop hunting tabs of laptops or desktops and start deciding based on what actually improves your day. If you're ready to stop wrestling with hesitation and start moving with confidence, check the link and make the move while timing still works. This is one of those upgrades you'll feel every single time you power on.